This Zulai apple corer is amazing. It's super easy to use and has reinforced twin stainless steel blades that don't bend. It has serrated tips at the end, making it unbelievably easy to slice through apples. The handle is really comfortable and makes it very easy to get the leverage needed to core through any apples. It has a lever that easily opens so you can remove the cores. It's great for making apple pie, apple or pear preserves, apple slice snacks, or any recipe requiring apples. It is 100% rust-proof and very easy to clean.